Hello guys, Dimsukhi here from usetutorial.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can create a sidebar by using Bootstrap 4, and it's totally responsive way. I mean, this is the toggle icon or toggle bottom, whatever you can tell. When I click it, that sidebar will open, and not only that, this sidebar have submenu also. If you want to open them, you can, like you can see, and it's totally responsive, means when you can see it. I mean, when the device is less, I mean the small device like mobile, then also it will work perfectly. And this is the standard Bootstrap 4 navbar. Okay, I'll give all the code details in my video description. From there you can download and practice it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And so let's start the coding. And before start the coding, if you like this video, please do like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you. So let's move to my dream viewer code editor. So here I open my dream viewer, my code editor. From here I have to make the site. For making the site, you have to click in site, new site, and you have to name it like sidebar. Okay, now you have to make a folder. So by default it will come in document section in Windows. So let's move the folder in my desktop. So make a new folder. So new folder, give the name as sidebar, whatever the name if you want, you can give that. Okay, sidebar. So select folder and save it. Okay, now I have to take a new file. So make it as index.html, and I need another file like style.css. Okay, so this is the, sorry, I think I give the comma icon, so just delete it. style.css. Okay, so let's open up that and open the style.css also. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to open that Bootstrap 4 website. So click Bootstrap 4, just Google the Bootstrap 4, and yeah, this is the official website of Bootstrap 4. So I'm here clicking get started. Yeah, that's the standard template. Just copy all the code and just paste it. Okay, and save it. Now what I have to do, this is the index.html. so okay, everything is done here. Okay, now I doesn't need this code view actually, so go to view and splits only that code. Okay, no, view code, right? So here is the body. Give the title as sidebar, like Bootstrap 4 sidebar, whatever. And just remove that because I don't need it. Now what I have to do, I have to add the style sheet also with that. So link and style.css. okay, it's attached. Save it. Now I need another couple of CSS, like I need that font of CND. Okay, so from this you can copy that code and another link, save it. So CSS link update completed. Yeah, font awesome is added, you can see here. Okay, so after that just in the body take a wrapper, div class equal to wrapper. In between that I have to take nav and id should be id should sidebar, close it. So in between take another div and this class name should be sidebar header, sidebar dash header. Let's close it. In between take a history and write the name as Bootstrap sidebar. Okay, so after ending of that take one UL and the class of the UL should be unstyled. It's a I mean Bootstrap class actually, just unstyled, and components it's a custom class. I'll design this class later in CSS. Okay, so let's close it and take a paragraph and give some dummy heading and put also the same dummy heading. Dummy heading. Okay, and after that take a li and class will be active. In between take a anchor tag a strip should be has home submenu. Okay, and sorry href and after that data toggle dash gg data toggle equal to collapse. And after that area expanded. Area expanded I am giving false. because I need, when I open it, it should be closed position. Okay, and after that, class drop down toggle. Okay, and write home. Okay, after that, before this closing of the li, I have to take another eval for the submenu. Okay, so here take another eval and the class give collapse and let's turn style. Sorry, it's gone out. It's unstyled. Okay, and id should be the same as whatever you mention here. Okay, so let's close it. In between this you will take another li, close it, anchor tag h, I'm keeping it is empty. Okay, so give as, and I need couple of times, so just copy it. Okay, so home, keeping as home 1, 2 and 3. Okay, after ending this li, means this active, after ending this active class, take another li, close it, a href keeping as empty, and about, like it doesn't have submenu, like home it's have submenu. Okay, so I make that much coding and it doesn't have submenu, so let take another item which have another submenu. Okay, so like that only you can take whatever, everything will be same. Okay, but this class active should not be there, remaining everything should be same, and this href that should be different. Like you can copy it also if you want to save time. Okay, so in this only li will be there, and this should be changed. You can give some page submenu or whatever you want, you can give it. Okay, and give like page or whatever you want, page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, so it's done. After that, after ending this li, you can do like that, some which doesn't have submenu. Like services, and contact us. Like that, whatever you want you can give. And if you want to put some bottom button, then that also you can do. For that also you have to take another UL, okay, UL and class list unstyled, and let's take a custom class. Okay, just close it. In between that li, close it. In between hey, href, I'm putting it at empty only here. Class I'm giving like download. Okay, close it. Like whatever, if you want some text in between the bottom, like download code or whatever, you can give it like that. Okay, like that. If you want another bottom also, if you want like another bottom, that also you can give like that. Let's change the class like article or something. And here give that article. Okay, so let's save it. It is not complete now because I doesn't give any kind of CSS, so it looks messy. You can see it. Yeah, its sidebar is coming and the submenu also working and heading also come, everything is working, but what the thing change, I have to style it properly because it's look very bad and ugly. Okay, I have to change it. I forgot to change it. That yeah, I have to make it page. Okay, save it. Yeah, okay, so after that, ending of the navbar, you can write the bootstrap code, bootstrap menu or whatever you want. It should be after the ending of the navbar. Okay, so div class will be content, okay, close the div. Now in between this I need that bootstrap for navbar. So from the bootstrap for officer website, just you have to search here navbar, click it. Okay, so it will come. If you need this type of navbar you can take it, but I need a simple navbar here, so like that. So that is enough for me, so I'm taking that one. Okay, so just paste it, the whole code. Okay, now after completing this, before this brand navbar brand class, right here I have to write some code. Okay, Here I'm taking one, bottom, okay, button, and type will be button, and ID should be sidebar collapse. Sorry, sidebar collapse. Okay, after that class will be button, and what color of button I need, so I need that light blue color, so info. Okay, here I need some font, some icon of the toggle icon. Okay, so for that you have to come here and Google it, just font awesome, and clicking the icon, so many icon will open. Taking a time. Yeah, all the icon is open. I need this one, align justify, so click it here, and I need this code, just click here, the code will be automatically copied. Okay, so after come here, paste it, and if you want some text you can write it. Okay, by span tag, use span tag, top. Okay, sidebar, save it. Now I have to mention some jQuery also. So for that, come in the last before ending of the body, give some space, script, document, sorry, I have to keep the bracket, document dot ready function open and close the bracket, start the double quote, for the ID mention just give the same, has sidebar collapse. Okay, sorry, I forgot, I have to mention that in between semicolon, give the, okay, sidebar collapse. After that, event on click even on click. Okay, sorry, again I have to mention in between and semicolon, click, comma, function, again you can hide the ID name you mention. You have to keep the same in between the quote has. How does the mention you and the ID you mention here, the sidebar. Okay, sidebar, the same thing you have to mention here. Okay, dot double plus I can first bracket active, save it. So now after ending of this navbar, give some space. Here I am to mention some heading and some paragraph. So h2, let's take some heading, and I need to take some paragraph also. Okay, after that I take some div of class. I'm giving line, close it, and just copy it couple of times and paste it. Okay, save it and check. Okay, it's looking, presently this toggle will not work. I have to mention some CSS, after that it will look good. So let's start our CSS coding. So here I open style.css. So here I am going to import some text. Actually import, I already have that link. Okay, now in body font family I am mentioning in opens else, sorry, comma, sans sorry. Okay, and let's close it, and background background color I already have. Okay, save it. After that, for the paragraph, font family I need the same only. Font size, let's take 1.1 em. Okay, font weight, let's give 300. After that, line height gives 1.7 em. And color has 999, like some grayish color. Okay, and close it. Now for the anchor tags, comma, anchor on hover, comma, anchor on focus, for them color, inherit, text decoration, none, and transition give all of 0.3 will be okay. Now for the navbar, dot for navbar padding, I'm giving 15 pixel top and bottom and 10 pixel left and right. After that, background let's give has okay, and border will be none. After that, border radius would be 0. After that, margin bottom give let's 40 pixel. Now box shadow, every side like top and bottom give 1 pixel and left and right of 3 pixels, so like 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 3 pixel, okay, R G B A bracket 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.1. okay, let's save it. Now after navbar button, okay, so dot navbar button, box shadow none, and outline none, important, and border also none. After that, line for the class line width should be 100%. Outline no sorry height should be 1 pixel. Border bottom 1 pixel. Dashed okay, and margin top and bottom 40 pixel, right and left 0 pixel. After line wrapper, I mean it's a common style actually. After that the sidebar style will be started. So wrapper and wrapper mean width should be 250 pixel. Max width also taking same 250 pixel. So after that, border bottom border bottom 1 pixel, dashed, and color will be hash DDD. Okay, so after that, actually till now it's going to normal styles. Now I have to design this that sidebar. Okay, so for that, wrapper in wrapper display should reflects with 100%, and align items should be tested. Okay, after that id sidebar, for that min width 250 pixel, max width also I am taking the same 250 pixel only. After that background I already have the color, and after that color I am taking like white color, and transition will be all and 0.3 second. Okay, so after that sidebar active, so has sidebar and dot active. For that margin left margin left giving minus 250 pixel, and for the sidebar now dot sidebar header, for that padding giving 20 pixel for it, so padding 20 pixel from each side, and background color I already have, okay, so let's save it. Oh, actually I give the space here, the space should not be there. Okay, just remove the space and save it. Let's check how it's look like presently. Okay, so I have to edit them also in CSS. I need some background on hover and some effects also. Okay, so let's code them. So after that sidebar header, it has sidebar dot sidebar sidebar, after that ul and components, in second bracket padding let's give 20 pixel, 0 pixel, and after that border bottom bottom 1 pixel, solid and color, let's keep that. Okay, after that has sidebar. You will paragraph padding 10 pixel from both sides and font size 1.1 will be enough. And display block okay. Now has sidebar, UL LIA on over color and background, sorry, not white color, let give this color and background give has white. Okay, now has sidebar, UL li dot active a comma a area expand expanded expanded. Okay, equal to the value should be matched with double quote true. Okay, in this case color has one white color and let's check background, sorry background okay, this color. After that a data toggle in data toggle the value should be matched with collapse. For that position should be relative. After that drop down toggle toggle after so in the drop down toggle display block position absolute top 60% right 20 pixel transform translate y minus 50% sorry okay now ul in between ul a means submenus anchor tag font size 0.9 and that going to be important. Okay, after that padding left let's give 30 pixel and that's also important. Background color this one. Save it and check how it's look like. Okay, yeah, this toggle you can see its toggle is working now properly. Okay, and this icon is not coming. Why? Let's check the code once. It should come. Some problem with, yeah, it should come now. Yeah, it's come now. Okay, let's do the another coding. So after that ul dot cds for that padding 20 pixel. Okay, ul dot cds anchor tag for them text align center font size 0.9 em important. Display should be block and border radius border radius, let's take 5 pixel will be okay. 5 pixel, sorry 5 pixel, and margin bottom also taking 5 pixel. Okay, now anchor dot download. This bottom style should be like background, has make it white, and color take that one. After that, a article ARTICLE, comma a dot article and hover background, important, color white, important, okay. So after that has content, with 100%, with TTH 100%, padding 20 pixel, min height give 100 page, and transition all, and give 0.3 second. Okay, so after that content, I have to write some media query at the rate media max width 768 pixel, for that has sidebar, margin left, minus 250 pixel, after that has sidebar, active, margin left, zero pixel, and has sidebar collapse, then display none, save it. So actually I forgot to mention one thing. Yeah, here has sidebar ul li a that padding should be 10 pixel, font size 1.1 em, and display should be block. Save it and check how it's look like now. Okay, it's coming perfectly. And it's look actually a little bad, I mean this together. So for that you can do one thing, you can make this padding to right. So for that what I have to do, you have to come here and margin left auto. Okay, and this navbar actually not looking good here, so for that you can comment it. And save it. Let's check how it looks like now. Yeah, it's perfect now. Okay, and it's quite responsive also, you can check it. Yeah, and this. Okay, so if you have any question you can ask me in comment section, and please do like, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. I'll give whole code in video description. From there you can download and practice it. Thank you. Goodbye.